Hey guys, Mark here. And before we get started, I just want to apologize in advance if you hear background noise. I have people over. And also, I just want to throw out a quick disclaimer. Everything in my video is for educational purposes only. I do not recommend you use this on a live account, and always demo before you do anything live, because you could lose all your investment. You could lose all your money. Trading is very risky, so please do your own due diligence. And again, this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Feel free to use this on a demo if you like, though. Right now, I'm gonna show you the strategy I've been thinking of posting. Sorry I didn't post too long ago. Um, for a while, because I've been busy, but here we have a strategy, and you could do this straight from NADEX, or you could use Thinkorswim or TradingView. What you do need, though, are three things. You do need the Heikin-Ashi. Now, if you don't know how to set this up on NADEX, Heikin-Ashi, you just click the three dots, click Type, click Heikin-Ashi, and the next thing you need is you need indicators, moving averages. You need the 21 and the 89. Okay, so the rules are very simple. You want price. Okay, so for a buy, here's the first few steps you need. You need a sort of an uptrend. It doesn't have to be a huge uptrend. It could be a little uptrend like this right here. And then you need price to cross. So for a buy, you need the EMAs to cross. The green, which is the 21, to be above the red, which is the 89. Okay? So keep that in mind. 21 EMA is green, 89 EMA is red. So for a buy, you need a little uptrend and the green EMA to be above the red EMA. Okay, like this right here. And then you need price to come back down into the trading zone. I call this the trading zone, but what it is, this is the area between the 21 and the 89. So right here, as you can see it, you need price to come back in there. Now you need price not to break the red EMA. It doesn't matter if it's a buy or a sell. Price cannot go breaking this area. Okay, so right here, little uptrend, the EMA is crossed, the green is above the red, so this is good for a buy, and then price came back down into the trading zone without breaking it. Okay, and what you need after that, sorry if you hear that, there's a bird outside my window, but what you need after this is a strong move above. Okay, you need a strong move back above the green, so like right here. And if you miss this, right here is fine. And this is on a 15-minute chart. I forgot to mention, if you didn't see that or catch it, right here. You need price to go right back above the green in a strong move, okay? Has to show a strong conviction. And once it closes, once that strong conviction candle closes right here, you take it for the next hour. So, for example, this was at 2:15. So, the next hour would have been the 4 a.m. expiry. As you can see, the 4 a.m. expiry was right here. You would have ended in the money because your entry strike is going to be below, for a buy, the candle that broke the green, basically below the conviction candle. So your entry strike is below the conviction candle. So if you took it right here, or if this wasn't a good conviction for you because it didn't seem bigger than these candles, this one was, so your entry strike was down here, and you would have had a nice trade right here. Even here you would have won because your trade was around here ish. Alright, so then let's continue looking. So this was a nice trade, and you're also mainly looking for only one setup per cross. You'll have multiple setups sometimes. Okay, so for example, right here, you're always looking for the first one. So right here, look, price downtrend, the red crosses below the green, and then price trades back into the trade zone, which is the area between the green and red, and then you see a strong candle break it below right here. So this right here wasn't a strong candle. This right here is a strong candle. So you take this right here, look what happens in the money. Then you have this right here. I don't like this because the candle that broke it was not a conviction candle. But if you did take it on this candle here at 3:15, your expiry would have been at 5. Right here would have been the last candle. You would have still been in the money if your strike was up here. So this is still good. And then crossed back upwards right here. This is not a good uptrend right here. I don't like this move right here. It's not a strong uptrend, or it's not even an uptrend. It's just sideways, right? So we skip that. Look, strong down right here. Price trades into here. Look at this. Not a strong conviction candle, but it crosses below, in the money. Yeah, so I don't like these not conviction candles. Honestly, I would have skipped this though. It was still in the money because look, when it crossed here at 2015, your expiry would have been 22. Would have been nicely in the money down here. This little uptrend here went back into the trade zone, crossed back up, really nice big candle here. Your entry is down here. As you could tell, this was at 9, so your expiry is 11, in the money. It was a nice in the money. Again, we had price trade back into the zone. No conviction candle here. Price trade back into the zone. Big conviction right here. Conviction candle. Your entry is down here. As long as it didn't break down here, it's still good. It's still good. If it has a up conviction candle on a buy, as long as it didn't break the red, it's still good to take. I'll make more videos on this, just in case some of you guys are a bit confused. But all this is sideways, nothing. And then you have a strong downtrend right here. Price trades into the zone. There's no good conviction candle here compared to the last move until this candle here, in the money. Even this candle here though would have been in the money because it was at 11:45. So the last candle would have been the 12:45. So you would have expired at 1, which would have been right here. This would have been in the money because your entry is up here, in the money. So I mean, you've won every trade on Euro USD. Like, even if you didn't take this one and you took this one because this one looks like a strong conviction candle, your strike is here, in the money. And then we have some other re-entries here, like this one actually didn't really trade into the zone. It traded back into the zone. Nice conviction candle right here. Look, and when I say conviction candle, I'm talking about like candles that look bigger than the previous ones that are showing you a nice momentum downwards. Okay, so your entry strike is up here. This was at 1, so your expiry is either at 2 or 3. Both of them would have been in the money. And then look what happens. It breaks above the red, so these are not, this is not in the trade zone. This is outside, okay? So that doesn't count. It crosses back above, trades back into the zone. Conviction candle right here. Nice win. Here, didn't really trade in the zone. It traded into the zone here. Not really a conviction candle, but like, even if you took this, you had your first loss. But I wouldn't have taken that. It's already too late. Like, you've already got your first win. That's why I said 1 win per cross, but you could do multiple. Here, there's nothing to show here. And then look, strong uptrend, trades back into the zone. Nice conviction candle right here at 2, so your expiry is 3. The 3 expiry would have been in the money, and the 4 expiry also in the money. It did come back down to against you, but it still ended up really nicely. So that would have been a good win. Traded back into the zone here, but then broke the red, so that's no. And let's keep going. Nice little uptrend, traded back into the zone, came back up above it. Not really good conviction candles until this one here, but either way they would have been in the money. Traded back again. These are small candles, then you have a conviction candle because it's bigger than these, in the money. Then it came back into the zone but broke red, so this is a no-go. And then no trade right here. There's nothing really, like, even though you have a nice conviction candle right here when it's trading in the zone, I don't like this setup because of, like, the downtrend is not really that nice. Okay, so I wouldn't have taken that. And then obviously it has a nice conviction candle here, but look, there's no trade here. It broke above the red. Let's look for 2 more trades. 2 more. Okay, Um, let's see. We'll take a look at on a new cross. So right here, downtrend. Okay, nice downtrend. Crossed. Okay, it crossed. Nice downtrend. Crossed right here. Red is above the green. Came back into the zone. Nice conviction candles right here. The second one, although you could take the trade on this one here because it's bigger than these others. And this is in the money. Traded into the zone. No conviction candle because these candles are bigger than the one that broke it. But right here, the 3 p.m. would have been in the money. The 3 a.m. sorry, or the 4 a.m. Wait, it crossed at 3:45, 4 a.m. So then the 5 was in the money, and then the 6 probably out the money. Yeah. So I wouldn't have taken that trade though. But anyway, you have like what 8-2, 8 wins, 2 losses. This is really high win rate. Right here, look. Little downtrend, but then it stalls. Nice conviction candle right here in the money. So that's like 9-2. This is really good. Uptrend right here. Moves right here. Look at this conviction candle right here. Nice in the money. That's like 11-2. 11 wins, 2 losses. And we'll take a look at one more trade. Let's see. So downtrend, nice. Trades back into the zone, nice. And then it breaks it right here. I don't really like it, but right here. So the trade would be right here. The exit would be right here. You probably won this trade if your strike is above. Yeah, it was probably a nice win. It wasn't. It might have been close actually. Not really a nice win, but I didn't really like the cross there. So I mean, you're looking for a risk of like 60 to 65, and even right here, look, crossed, came back up, crossed right here. Nice conviction candle. It's bigger than these other ones right here. The past like 5, and then it would have been in the money. But that's basically how you're trading these setups. If you have any questions, you could let me know. I will make more videos on it, obviously, because this doesn't only work on Euro USD. I might take some trades if I can. It is on the 15-minute chart, so you don't have to stare at your charts all the time. But yeah, I'll let you know.